Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools in the Delaverse playground, the Scheduler node. Imagine setting up your workflows to run automatically, like clockwork, without you lifting a finger. Whether it's generating daily sales reports, checking inventory weekly, or launching marketing campaigns on schedule, this feature keeps everything running smoothly and saves you tons of time. What's the scheduler node all about? The scheduler node is your go-to for automating repetitive tasks in Delaverse. It lets you set up workflows to trigger at set intervals, hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, or even custom times. This means more efficiency, fewer manual checks, and the freedom to focus on what you love, like creating amazing AI agents or analyzing data, while your operations hum along in the background. How to get started. Accessing the scheduler. Getting to the scheduler node is super straightforward. Log into your Delaverse Playground dashboard. From the main menu on the left, scroll down to the node library and search for Scheduler, or find it under the Automation section. Click to select it, then drag and drop it right onto your workflow canvas. Give it a catchy name like Daily Sales Booster to keep things organized, and hit Save to lock it in. Breaking down the key features. Once you've added the node, it's time to customize it. Here's what makes the scheduler shine. Frequency options. Pick your rhythm. Run something every hour for quick updates, daily for routine tasks, weekly for deeper insights, or monthly for big picture reviews. There's even a custom mode where you can say, hey, fire this up every Monday at 9 a.m. sharp, triggering your workflows. The scheduler doesn't need any inputs from other nodes. It kicks off everything on its own. Just connect its output to the next step in your flow, like pulling data from an API or running an AI analysis, and watch the magic happen. Easy monitoring. Keep an eye on how things are going with built-in logs that show execution history and status updates. It's like having a dashboard for your automated tasks, so you always know if everything's on track. Breaking and monitoring your schedules. Staying on top of your automations is a breeze with the scheduler's monitoring tools. After setting up, you can simulate a run with the Test Schedule button to see how it'll perform. Then, check the status log anytime to review past executions. Did it run on time? Any hiccups? This visibility helps you spot patterns, ensure reliability, and tweak for even better results, giving you peace of mind and data-driven confidence. Bro tips for mastering the scheduler. Want to level up? Here are some insider tricks. If your team spans time zones, double-check the schedule settings to avoid off-hour surprises in global workflows. Always test new schedules during quieter times to catch issues without impacting your main operations. For mission-critical tasks, layer in retry options so if something glitches, it bounces back automatically. Name your schedules descriptively, like weekly inventory alert, so you can quickly spot and manage them later. Why you'll love it. Power up your Delaverse game with the scheduler node. You're not just automating, you're unlocking a world of hands-free productivity and smarter workflows. Say goodbye to forgotten tasks and hello to consistent, reliable operations that grow with you. Jump in, set up your first schedule today, and see how Delaverse makes your life easier and your results bigger. What's your first automated task going to be? Share in the comments. Let's build something awesome together.